Hi everyone! In today's video, roasted pork tenderloin. I am Paula Romero and I'm gonna share with you simple ways to cook good food. Looking for a tasty, quick and easy recipe for New Year's Eve dinner? You came to the right place. I'm gonna share with you my recipe for roasted pork tenderloin with a nice refreshing sauce made with garlic, lemon and ginger to glaze the tenderloin afterwards to die for. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. Let me show you the ingredients. Garlic paste, fresh rosemary, salt and pepper, olive oil and lemon zest. We're gonna mix them all together, make a paste. Then we're going to spread them all over the pork tenderloin. And then we're going to spread all of this on the pork tenderloin. You can trim the excess fat if you want to. And we're going to spread this on both sides. Next, we're going to spread some butter on a cast iron skillet and we're going to sear the pork tenderloin on both sides. Now that the pork tenderloin is seared on both sides, we're going to roast it at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. The pork tenderloin is roasting, the kitchen smells amazing, and meanwhile I'm going to make a garlic lemon ginger sauce to glaze the pork tenderloin once it's done. Add some butter, garlic paste and ginger. And saute this for about 30 seconds. We don't want the garlic to get brown. Come with the lemon juice, some salt and pepper. We're gonna bring this up to a boil. I'm gonna add some water, just about a tablespoon or so. And I'm gonna add some butter to help to reduce the acidity in the sauce. Also, the butter will give this a velvety texture to the pork tenderloin. It's gonna be delicious. Don't forget to taste the sauce to see if you need to adjust the seasonings. This one is good, but I'll add a little bit more of butter. So I think I add about 4 tablespoons total. Reduce the heat to a simmer and add a little bit of cornstarch dissolved in water. So the sauce is not too runny, it's gonna give a shiny texture to the pork tenderloin. That's it. Done. That's the texture that you want. Still runny, but not too liquidy. The pork tenderloin roasted for about 20 minutes, but since each oven is different, make sure that it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Now, I'm gonna glaze with this delicious lemon, garlic, and ginger sauce that we made. So we can get this shiny on top, plus an extra lemony flavor. Great. I'm gonna let this rest for about 5 minutes before I slice them up. Let's see how it looks inside. It's ready to slice it up. Great. And if you want, you can add a little bit more of the glaze. And this is it. A nice, quick, simple and easy roasted pork tenderloin for your New Year's Eve dinner. So, if your New Year's resolution is to start again healthy eating habits, this recipe is for you. You can make it all year long. I bet you won't get bored of it. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. It helps so much when you do. And I wish you all Happy New Year. See you next time. Bye.